Alright, here comes the pushers. I'm gonna record it from this side. There actually is another train down there. He pulled up. We're waiting at Bookout Road for like 40 minutes. Another train actually pulled up over there. So I'm gonna record this train from a different angle this time. From this side, there is a cop right there, so I'm gonna be careful because there's a cop right there. So you know, cop right there, all that fun stuff. Yeah, here it comes. I forgot, I'm probably going across over that side to get view of that other train coming. Yeah, there goes the crossing. I haven't recorded this side in a long time. Yep, there he goes. Yeah, it's been a long time since I recorded this side, so I figured I'd do something different for this train at least. But this is the pushers, so that's why I'm not too worried about getting good angles. Because the pushers, I've recorded him a million times. Because the pushers. No, it's not the pushers, actually. Never mind. Alright, an actual real train. I thought it was the pushers. Wow, train me, okay. Okay. Yeah, I recorded the second train on the other side. Well, I was really expecting me to count pushers. I haven't done it in a long time. Like, days. Pretty cool, actually. scared the fuck out of me. Damn. No DPUs, looks like. Yep, no DPUs in this one, unfortunately, but maybe the other one will have one, I don't know. We're a really good day so far. I mean, it's like our third or fourth train. Oh, no, here, okay, it's the Cowan pushers, never mind. The Cowan pushers on the back.